Welcome to Quick Thoughts, the podcast where we explore the future of digitalization, digital transformation, and digital business models. Join me, Markus Düsselkamp, as we dive into the latest trends, innovations, and strategies transforming industries worldwide. Since we are talking about digitalization, and I admit I'm a bit lazy, I ask AI to take my input and ideas and turn them directly into a podcast. Now, sit back and enjoy as my two AI avatars bring you my personal insights straight from the white paper I wrote for Haufe Academy. Let's dive into the world of digital business, powered by AI and driven by expertise.
Welcome to your deep dive. Today we're going to be tackling AI readiness.
Ooh, fun.
Specifically, how businesses can get ready to really make the most of AI.
Yes.
We've got this Haufe Academy white paper we're using as our guide today.
Mm-hmm.
Plus, your own notes and research so we can really make this relevant to you, the listener.
I love it.
Yeah, so it's like we're building a custom AI strategy just for you listening.
Exactly.
But before we get ahead of ourselves,
Okay.
let's back up a bit. This whole idea of AI maturity.
Yes.
What does that even mean? It sounds a bit intimidating, to be honest.
It's less about being intimidated and more about being prepared.
Okay.
Like, think of it like this. Remember the Blockbuster video?
Oh, yeah.
They were once the place to rent movies.
Right.
But they missed the boat on digital streaming.
Totally.
So that's a classic example of what happens when a company isn't AI mature. They fail to adapt and get left behind.
Okay, so being AI mature means being ready to adapt.
Yes.
And evolve with AI. I'm starting to get it. But how do we actually get there?
Well, the white paper breaks it down into 6 phases. Think of it like a roadmap to becoming an AI powerhouse.
Okay.
And it all starts with awareness.
So more than just knowing what ChatGPT is.
Exactly. Awareness is about truly understanding what AI is, how it's different from things like data mining.
Right.
Which is, how Amazon seems to know exactly what you want before you even do.
Yeah.
And also understanding why AI matters for your company's success.
So it's about figuring out how AI can give you a competitive edge.
Yes.
Like how Netflix disrupted the entire entertainment industry.
Totally.
By using AI for personalized recommendations.
Exactly. And once you have that awareness,
okay,
you can move on to phase 2, strategy.
Strategy.
This is where your own company's goals come into play.
Speaking of my goals.
Yes.
I see you have some notes here about my company's digital strategy.
Those are key. The white paper emphasizes aligning your AI strategy with your overall business goals. It's about identifying specific areas where AI can have the biggest impact.
Gotcha.
Rather than just implementing AI for the sake of it.
So no random robot projects just because they look cool?
Well, cool robots are always a bonus.
True.
But they should serve a purpose.
Okay.
Think of it like this. If your goal is to improve customer service, maybe you start by exploring AI-powered chatbots.
Right.
Instead of building a robot receptionist.
Practical applications. Got it.
There you go.
So we've got awareness strategy. What's next?
Next up is phase 3, governance.
Governance.
Now, this might sound a bit dry.
Does it?
But it's crucial.
Okay. Is this where we get into all the rules and regulations?
It's more about setting the stage for success.
Okay.
Think of it like building a house.
Right.
You need a solid foundation before you start decorating.
Yeah.
This is where you think about things like data quality. Making sure the data you feed your AI is accurate and reliable.
Right.
It's also about building skilled teams and securing that all-important budget approval.
Right, because even the coolest AI project won't get far without proper funding.
Exactly. And then we get to the fun part, phase 4, experiment.
Finally, some action. Is this where we get to build those cool robots?
Not quite robots yet, but we're getting closer.
Right.
This phase is all about starting small.
Okay.
Proving AI's value with quick wins. Think pilot projects, prototypes, testing the waters before diving in head first.
So this is where my note about minimal viable product comes in.
Exactly. Remember that amazing AI-powered photo app you were telling me about?
Yeah.
It likely started as a small experiment, testing out different features and algorithms before it became the game changer it is today.
That's a great point. So instead of trying to build a full-blown, super intelligent AI, right off the bat, we should focus on smaller, achievable projects that can demonstrate AI's value.
Precisely. Think of it like learning to ride a bike.
Okay.
You wouldn't start by trying to do a backflip.
No.
You'd start with training wheels.
Yeah. Right.
Get comfortable with the basics and then gradually build up your skills.
Yeah.
It's the same with AI. Start small, learn, and then scale up.
Okay, so we've experimented and hopefully we've got some wins under our belt. What happens in phase 5?
That's where we get into integration.
Integration.
Which is all about weaving AI more deeply into the company's fabric.
Okay.
It's about making sure your AI systems play nicely with your existing systems and processes.
Gotcha.
It also involves training your teams, monitoring performance,
okay,
and ensuring everything runs smoothly.
So it's not just about building cool AI tools,
Right.
but also about making sure they actually work within the company's existing framework.
Exactly. Think about those self-driving cars.
Yeah.
They're incredible pieces of technology.
They are.
But they still need to navigate within the existing infrastructure of roads,
right,
traffic laws, and human drivers.
Yeah.
It's the same with AI in business. It needs to integrate seamlessly with the human element
right
in existing systems.
That makes a lot of sense. And I remember highlighting something about feedback loops in my notes.
That's crucial here.
Is it?
Integration isn't a set it and forget it deal.
Okay.
You need constant feedback and improvement to make sure your AI systems are adapting and evolving to meet your company's changing needs. Think of it like training a puppy.
A puppy.
You need to provide consistent feedback and reinforcement.
Okay.
To ensure they grow into well-behaved companions.
So we've moved from awareness and strategy all the way to integration. This is quite a journey.
It is.
So what's the final destination?
The final phase is scaling.
Scaling.
Which is where a company truly becomes AI mature.
Okay.
They can adapt and grow their AI capabilities as needed. Think robust systems, automation, and continuous evolution.
So it's not just about reaching the finish line, it's about staying ahead in the AI race.
Exactly, and the white paper introduces these fascinating promoter roles.
Promoter roles.
That are key for any company's AI success.
Promoter roles, it sounds like we're about to get a pep talk.
Well, not exactly a pep talk.
Okay.
But these roles are definitely essential for cheering on and driving your AI initiatives forward.
Okay.
The white paper outlines 3 key promoters. The mock promoter.
Mock promoter.
The process promoter.
Process promoter.
And the fetch promoter.
Fetch promoter. Oh, those names are a mouthful.
They are.
Can we break them down into plain English?
Absolutely. Think of it like a winning sports team.
Okay.
You've got your coach, your team captain, and your star player.
Right.
They each bring something unique to the table, and they need to work together to achieve victory.
Okay. I like that analogy.
Good.
So who's our coach in this AI dream team?
That would be the mock promoter or power promoter.
Power promoter.
They're all about influence and resources.
Okay.
Think CEOs, board members.
Right.
Those high-level folks who can really champion the AI initiative from the top down.
So they're like the ones who can greenlight the budget and make sure everyone in the company is on board with the AI strategy.
Exactly. They secure the resources, paint the vision, and make sure AI is a priority for the whole company.
Okay.
Without them, it's unlikely your AI initiative will ever really get off the ground.
All right. You need someone with clout to rally the troops.
Exactly.
So who's our team captain, the one who keeps everything on track?
That would be the process promoter?
Process promoter.
Process promoter.
They're the project managers, scrum masters.
Okay.
The ones who ensure the AI project runs smoothly from day to day.
Gotcha.
They handle logistics communication.
Right.
And keep everyone focused on the end goal.
Okay, so they're the ones who translate the vision into action.
Yes.
Making sure things actually get done.
Exactly.
They're essential for keeping everything organized and moving in the right direction.
Precisely now for our star player.
Okay.
The one with the technical skills to make it all happen.
Okay.
That's where the fetch promoter comes in.
Fetch promoter.
Or, as we might say, the expert promoter. Expert promoter. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is our data scientist, our AI developer.
Yes.
The one who really knows the ins and outs of building the AI systems.
Exactly. They're the ones turning the vision into a reality. Building the algorithms, training the models, and fine-tuning everything to make sure it works as intended.
Okay.
They're the technical brains behind the operation.
I'm seeing how these roles really complement each other.
Yes.
The power promoter gets everyone on board.
Right.
The process promoter keeps things running smoothly. And the expert promoter brings the technical expertise to bring it all to life.
You got it. And what's really interesting
What's that?
is how these roles connect to job titles you probably already have in your company.
So you're saying we don't need to hire a bunch of new people
Right.
with fancy titles to become AI mature?
Not necessarily.
Okay.
Think about your CIO or CTO.
Okay.
They could easily be your power promoter.
They could?
They already have the authority, resources, and tech understanding to champion AI initiatives.
That makes sense. And what about the project manager
Yeah.
who's already leading our digital transformation efforts?
Yeah.
Wouldn't they be a perfect process promoter?
Absolutely.
Okay.
They already have the skills and experience to manage complex projects.
Right.
So this would be a natural transition for them.
And of course, we have our awesome team of developers and data analysts.
Exactly.
They're the obvious choice for expert promoter.
Precisely. They have the technical chops to build, implement,
Okay.
and maintain the AI systems.
It's all about recognizing and leveraging the talent you already have.
Exactly.
This is all starting to click.
Good.
So we don't need to reinvent the wheel.
Right.
We just need to identify the right people within our organization
Yeah.
and empower them to drive our AI journey forward.
Exactly. It's about fostering a culture of AI readiness and making sure everyone understands their role in this exciting transformation.
This has been a fantastic breakdown of the 6 phases in these key promoter roles.
Yes.
But I have to admit, it still feels a bit daunting.
It can.
Where do we even begin?
That's a great question. Remember, becoming AI mature is a journey, not a destination.
Right.
You don't have to have all the answers right now.
Okay.
Start by identifying your goals, assessing your current resources,
Okay.
and then take it one step at a time.
So it's okay to start small and gradually build up our AI capabilities.
Absolutely. The most important thing is to start somewhere.
Okay.
Remember that analogy of learning to ride a bike?
Right. Training wheels first, then work our way up to those backflips.
Exactly. And, even if you're not actively building out a formal AI strategy right now, there's a good chance you've already started your AI journey without even realizing it.
Really? I haven't built any robots or anything.
Think about the tools and technologies you're already using.
Okay.
Marketing automation platforms,
Yeah.
customer relationship management systems,
Yeah.
even those smart assistants on our phones.
Right.
They all rely on some form of AI.
Wow, you're right. I use those tools every day, but I never really thought of them as AI.
Exactly.
So we're already interacting with AI on a daily basis,
Yeah.
even if it's behind the scenes.
Exactly. And as these technologies continue to evolve,
Okay.
it's becoming more and more important for companies to understand how to leverage AI effectively. Those companies that embrace AI
Right.
and integrate it into their strategies will have a significant advantage in the years to come.
This deep dive has been eye-opening.
Good.
We've gone from feeling a bit intimidated by this whole AI maturity concept to actually feeling excited about the possibilities.
That's great.
Yeah.
Remember, AI isn't some futuristic fantasy.
Right.
It's here, it's now, and it's already transforming the way we work and live.
So, listener, as you think about your own company's journey,
Yes.
consider this. What's one small step you can take today to start building your AI muscles?
That's a great question.
Maybe it's exploring a new AI-powered tool, having a conversation with your team about AI opportunities,
Yes.
or simply educating yourself further about the possibilities.
The future is intelligent, and it's closer than you think.